Wagoo versus ChatGPT. So in this video, we will actually compare this to AI assistant for you. So let's start first with the core focus. Wagoo AI is a desktop AI assistant emphasizing privacy, and you can also download it locally by Windows or Mac. So it helps users who are handling sensitive data without exposure to the cloud. Now, ChatGPT is a cloud-based chatbot with OpenAI, and it has broad general conversational abilities and deep language understanding. But that also implies that your data will be stored on ChatGPT's database. So with this, on the deployment, ChatGPT is cloud, Wagyu is run by Windows or Mac right here. So in use cases, this is good for quick desktop tasks with screen context detection and voice transcription. Meanwhile, ChatGPT is a versatile AI for creative writing, coding help, customer service, education, and the likes. As for the privacy, Wagyu is the one that you should be going about. And for the accessibility, this one requires installation, while ChatGPT is on the cloud. So on some cases, ChatGPT is better on that part. Now regarding the pricing, Wagyu is actually cheaper. When you go over right to the pricing, they have a free plan. While ChatGPT also have a free plan. The next basic plan that they have is around $200, while Wagyu only have $15 option right here. So regarding which one is best, typically ChatGPT is best if you're trying to actually create a bot yourself. However, if you want privacy, then Wagyu is the right thing for you. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.